Hello, wonderful world of YouTube. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really appreciate that. If you're new here, my name is Tobias and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today what I have for you guys is a microphone comparison video. I will be comparing two USB condenser microphones, the MAONO AU-A04 versus the MAONO AU-PM421. So the audio that you are hearing right now is coming from the MAONO AU-A04. I have it right here in front of me, and throughout this video I'm going to be switching between the A04 and the PM421. And if at any given time you would like to know which microphone I'm using, I'll go ahead and put the microphone right here in the corner of the screen. I will also be listening to the audio as I record this video, and we're going to go over the similarities and differences between the two microphones. Then we'll do a side-by-side audio comparison where I will switch from one microphone to the other pretty quickly. And then lastly, I'll give you my final review and which microphone I think that you would be better off going with. And of course, guys, if you decide at any point that this video helps you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. And if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, I upload new microphone reviews every Monday. Make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button and also that bell notifications button. And let's go ahead and get right into this. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Amazon pages first. As you can see, the A04 goes for $59.99 and the PM421 goes for $79.99. They both come with free shipping and the option for free returns. So we're looking at a price difference of $20, and I'll go ahead and link these Amazon pages down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out for yourself. And when it comes to the frequency responses of these two microphones, it looks like the PM421 has a flatter frequency response compared to the A04. If you look at the A04, it looks like it tapers down a little bit in the highs and it actually goes up a little bit in the lows. I personally prefer to have a flatter frequency response. And if we look at the physical similarities and differences between the two microphone sets, we'll see that they both come with the same exact microphone boom arm that clamps onto your desk. They both come with similar style shock mounts. They both come with USB cables. They both come with pop filters and also wind muffs. One difference is that in the A04 microphone kit, it's the A04 Plus, so it actually comes with a little tripod desk stand, which is really handy. I think that's really cool. And if you look at the front of the PM421, you'll see that it has a mute button as well as a gain knob. The A04 does not have any knobs or buttons on the actual microphone. So now that we went over the similarities and differences between the two microphones, let's move on to our side-by-side audio test. Okay guys, now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the A04. Let's go ahead and listen for a noise floor. So I'm going to stop talking and try to listen for a background hiss noise. Okay, now let's go ahead and listen to the PM421. Okay guys, now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the PM421. I'm going to stop talking and let's go ahead and try to listen for that noise floor. Okay, now let's go ahead and switch back over to the A04. Alright guys, now we're back over at the A04. This is what it sounds like when I pluck my guitar. This is what it sounds like when I strum my guitar. Okay, and now we are back over at the PM421. This is what it sounds like when I pluck my guitar. And this is what it sounds like when I strum my guitar. Now we're back over at the A04. This is what it sounds like when I'm typing on my keyboard and talking at the same time. Now we're back over at the PM421, and this is what it sounds like when I tap on my keyboard behind my microphone and talk at the same time. And now we're back at the A04 for a fourth and final time. Try to get your last listen in and decide if you like the sound of one microphone over the other. And now we're back over at the PM421 for a fourth and final time. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and re-listen to the audio that I just recorded, and I'm going to decide which microphone I prefer the sound of more. I think I already know, but I'm gonna go ahead and listen back to it just to be sure. And let me know down in the comments below which microphone you think sounds better. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I went back and listened to the audio again, and the bottom line is, in my opinion, I think that the PM421 sounds better than the A04. The PM421 is the microphone that you are hearing right now. In my opinion, it has a less noisy noise floor, and I know that it may be expected that this microphone would sound better because it is more expensive, but just a couple weeks ago, I actually did a comparison between the PM421 and the PM401. Let me get it real quick to show you guys. This is the PM401 right here. The way that you can tell it's different is it has a mute button and it also has a headphone jack. The PM421 does not have a headphone jack, and the A04 does not have a headphone jack either. But if you want to go ahead and check out that video, I actually thought that the PM401 sounded better than the PM421, even although this microphone is less expensive than the 421. However, in that video, I did say that I would still go with the 421 because it has the gain knob on the front of the microphone, and for that reason, I would still go with the 421. But in this situation, the PM421 versus the AU-A04, I would definitely say that it is worth going with the PM421 if you are deciding between these two microphones. And actually, one thing that I forgot to mention earlier is that the PM421, the A04, and even the 401, which I have over here, all of these microphones can be used with smartphones if you use an OTG adapter like this right here. And I just want to mention really quick, if you are planning on recording to your smartphone with any of these microphones, I actually wouldn't recommend the 421 or the A04. I would actually recommend the 401 because the 401 has a headphone jack on it for that direct monitoring. So while you're recording, you could actually hear what you're recording, and say if you're recording to GarageBand in your iPhone, you can actually hear the track you're recording to, like if you have a backing track or an instrumental, you can actually hear that through that headphone jack on the microphone. So I just wanted to mention that really quick about the smartphones, just in case anyone is planning on recording to a smartphone. That's definitely something that you want to take into consideration. So in my opinion, it is definitely worth the $20 price difference to get the 421, but I would love to hear what you guys think. You guys heard the same exact audio that I heard. I would love to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And once again, guys, I will have the Amazon pages for all of these microphones down in the description of this video in case you want to check that out for yourself. And if you did like this video, or if this video helped you out, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out so much. And if you'd like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell notifications button. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.